Namaste children. Chapter 8 Measurement. In this video, we are going to learn about length, weight and capacity of an object. Children, do you know what is measurement? Measurement is the process of knowing how thick or how long or how short an object is. And measurement is very important nowadays. Measurement can be done in different ways. So let us begin with length. Let's understand what the length is and how to measure it. The word length is used to measure how long an object is. For example, length of your mathematics textbook, length of your cupboard, length of pencil, etc. Length is also used to measure the distance. For example, distance from your home to school, distance between two cities, distance between two countries. Children, in olden days, people used their body parts to measure length and distance like hand span, pace, foot span. Now, let us understand what is hand span. Hand span is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger on a outstretched hand. For example, let us measure the length of whiteboard with the help of hand span. 1 hand span, 2 hand span, 3 hand span, 4 hand span, 5 hand span. So, the length of whiteboard is 5 hand span. Now, let us understand what is foot span. Foot span is the distance from the tip of the toe to the heel of the foot. Look, now I am measuring the length of cloth with the help of foot span. 1 foot span, 2 foot span, 3 foot span, 4 foot span, 5 foot span. So, the length of the cloth is 5 foot spans. Now, let us understand what is pace. Pace is the distance between two legs when we are walking. Look, now I am measuring the length of my room with the help of pace. 1 pace, 2 pace, 3 pace, 4 pace. So, the length of my room is 4 paces. If two persons measure the length of an object with help of their body parts, then they will get different answers. That's why this pace, foot span, hand span are called as non-standard units of length. Standard units of length. Children, can you identify what is this? This is a ruler and we commonly call as scale, through which we can find the exact length of the pencil, books, notebooks, crayons, your water bottle, your lunch boxes, etc. So, this is one of the standard tool to find the exact length of the object. Now children, observe this. You can see some numbers are written and there are some markings also. If you carefully observe, there are some small markings and some big markings. These big markings denotes centimeter. Centimeter, meter and kilometer are the standard units of length. We write meter as m, centimeter as cm. Centimeter is used to measure small things and meter is used to measure longer things. Children, remember 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Children, in page number 98, question is read the measurement and write how long are the following things. Using a ruler, we have to measure the given object. First one is chocolate. Here they have given us a measure. So, from here to here, the length of this chocolate is 4 centimeters. Now, let us see pencil. from this end to this end, you have to see the line. See this end, a line is given and the number on the line is 7. So the length of this pencil is 7 centimeters. In the same way, complete remaining 2. Children, in page number 99, here we have to do additions. First one they have done for us. Let us see second one. The question is, we have to add 97 meters, 12 centimeters with 32 meters and 76 centimeters. We should always add centimeters first. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So, the sum is 129 meters 88 centimeters. The same way, complete the remaining problems. Children, in page number 99, we have to subtract the given sums. First one they have done for us. Let us see question B. We have to subtract 23 meters 76 centimeters from 78 meters 12 centimeters. First we have to subtract centimeters. 2 minus 6, we can't take out 6 from 2. So we are borrowing 1 from this number. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 0 minus 7, no, we have to take a borrow from 8. So the number is 10 now. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the difference is 54 meters 36 centimeters. In the same way, complete the remaining problems. Children, in page number 100, heading is Statement Sums. Let us do question A. A piece of ribbon is 50 centimeters long. So this ribbon is 50 centimeters long. Another piece is 15 centimeters long. So this is 15 centimeters long. What is the total length of the two ribbons? They are asking us the total length of two ribbons. If we join these two, we have to find out the total length of these two ribbons. So let us write. What is the length of first ribbon? 50 centimeters. And the second one is 15 centimeters. They are asking if we join these two, what will be the total length? So we are adding this. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 65 centimeters is the total length of the two ribbons. Question B. A cloth is 15 meters long. It is cut into two pieces. Here they have given us a cloth. It is 15 meters long, but it is divided into two pieces. One piece is 7 meters long. Here this piece is 7 meters long. What is the length of other piece? What is the length of other piece? So we are going to minus 7 meters from 15 meters. So the cloth is how many meters long? It is 15 meters long. And it is cut into two pieces. One piece is 7 meters long. We have to find out the length of other piece. So we are going to do subtraction here. 15 minus 7. How much? 8. 8 meters. So the length of this piece is 8 meters long. In the same way, understand the questions and complete the answers. Children, now let us learn about weight. Look at this picture, children. We call it as weighing machine or simple balance. We use simple balance or weighing machine to compare the weight of two objects. Children, nowadays we see electronic balance to measure the weight. We measure the weight of an object in grams or kilograms. Kilogram and gram are the standard units to weigh things. We write kilogram as kg, grams as g. We use grams to weigh light objects and kg to weigh heavy objects. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Then in page number 101, the question is write H for heavy objects and L for light objects. See, here they have given us a bus and a bicycle. Now you compare and tell me which is heavy object. Yes, bus is heavy object. Bicycle is light object. Now tell, here there is only one pencil and here bunch of pencils. Now tell me which is heavy object. 1. Heavy. Light is one pencil. The same way complete remaining 2. Children, in page number 105, we are doing additions. First one is done for us. Second one doing. Here we have to add 25 kg 250 grams with 15 kgs 500 grams. First we have to do addition of grams and then kgs. So 250 plus 500. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Now we are adding the numbers which are under kg. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the sum is 40 kgs 750 grams. In the same way, complete the remaining problems. Children, in page number 105, we are doing subtraction. Here, the first one is given for us. Now let us do question B. We are subtracting 16 kgs 250 grams from 20 kgs 600 grams. We should always subtract grams first. So here 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5? No. We are going to take a borrow from 6. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now let us subtract the numbers which are under kg. 20 minus 16, that is 4. So the difference is 4 kgs 350 grams. In the same way, complete the remaining problems. Children, in page number 106, they have given us statement sums. The first question is, there are 15 kgs potatoes and 13 kgs tomatoes in a bag. What is the total weight of the bag? There are 15 kgs potatoes and 13 kgs tomatoes in a bag. Now we have to find the total weight of the bag. It means we have to add 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the total weight of the bag is 28 kgs. Now let us do question B. Anu bought 750 grams cake. She gave 125 grams cake to her friend. How much cake is left with her now? How many grams of cake? 750 grams of cake. And out of that, she gave 125 grams to a friend. How much she gave? 125 grams to a friend. Now we have to find how much cake is left with her. So we are doing subtraction here. So 0 minus 5. No, we can't subtract. So we are taking a borrow from 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So the leftover cake with Anu is 625 grams. In the same way, understand the statement sums and do the problems. Now let us learn about capacity. Children, here I have a big glass filled with water and a small empty glass. Let's pour this water in the small glass. Look, the water started overflowing and flew out of the small glass. we can say the capacity of big glass is more than the small glass. That is, the big glass can hold more water than the small glass. The amount of liquid a container can hold is called capacity. We measure the capacity of a container in liters and milliliters. We write liters as L, milliliters as ml. Children, remember 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Half liter is equal to 500 milliliters. These are the standard measures used to measure the capacity of the liquid. Examples of capacity are: this big can of cooking oil can hold liquid of 5 liters. This water bottle can hold liquid of 1 liter. This jar can hold liquid of 250 milliliters. This syrup bottle can hold liquid of 100 milliliters. This medicine dropper can hold liquid of 10 milliliters. Children, in page number 109, choose the correct unit to measure the capacity of these containers, which are in liters and milliliters. Children, observe the first object. This is a mug. So, mug, how much capacity it contains? It can hold in milliliters. Let us see this juice box. It can hold, yes, the capacity of milliliters. And this is a bucket. It can hold more water, right? Then we can say this container can hold liquid in liters. In the same way, observe these objects and write the correct unit. In page number 110, we have to do additions. Question A is done for us. Now let us do question B. We are adding 18 liters 180 milliliters with 12 liters 200 milliliters. First, we should always add the numbers which are under milliliters. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now let us add the numbers which are under liters. 8 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the sum is 26 liters 380 milliliters. In the same way, complete the remaining problems. In the same page, we are doing subtractions. Question A is done for us. Let us do question B. We are subtracting 45 liters 300 milliliters from 65 liters 750 milliliters. So 0 minus 0 is, we should always do subtractions first with milliliters. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 5 minus 0 is 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the difference is 20 liters 450 milliliters. In the same way, complete the remaining problems. Children, in page number 111, they have given us statement sums. Let us read the question A. Ram bought 125 liters of blue paint and 90 liters of red paint. How many liters of paint did he buy in all? So, Ram bought how many liters of blue paint? 125 liters of blue paint and 90 liters of red paint. Now, you have to add how many liters of paint did he buy in all. So, we are adding this 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, the total paint he bought is 215 liters. Let us see question C. A can had 52 liters of milk, out of which 28 liters were sold. How much milk was left? So, how much this can has? 52 liters. And out of which 28 liters were sold. So, out of 52 liters, 28 liters were sold. Now, how much milk was left? How much milk is left when 28 liters is taken from 52 liters? So, we are going to do subtraction here. 2 minus 8. No, we can't remove 8 from 2. So, we are taking borrow from 5. So, 5 goes 4. So, 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, the leftover milk in the can is 24 liters. In the same way, understand these two statement problems and complete. Page number 112, they have given us worksheet. Take the heavier object in each. You can compare and take the heavier objects. First one I'll do for you. They have given us leaf and a book. So, book is a heavier object. In the same way, compare all these pictures and take the heavier objects. Now, let us see the second question. Which is more suitable unit, meters or centimeters, to measure these? The length of a car will be in meters or centimeters? It will be in meters. Big object will always be in meters. The length of a comb is a small object, so it will be in centimeters. Now understand these two questions and complete. Now let us see the question 3. Which is more suitable unit, liter or milliliter, to measure this? Petrol, liter. Milk, liter. Cough syrup. Check your cough syrup. If you have cough syrup bottle in your home, check and write. Cooking oil. Understand and write this also. Now, let us see question 4. Circle the correct unit to measure this. You see this. What is this? This is a milk bottle. It will be in centimeter, milliliters or grams. So, this contains some liquid. Liquid we always measure with milliliters. Now, see, there is a basket. In the basket, there are many fruits. Now, tell me, how we are going to measure these? With kgs, liters or meters? Kgs. In the same way, understand the remaining questions and complete.